When I first saw the monkey, we were shocked because we weren't quite sure what it was. We knew that it was within one of the langur species, but we didn't know exactly which one of the langurs it was. The monkey is called Miller's grizzled langur. It's a fairly large gray monkey, and very little is actually known about this particular monkey. Within this particular forest, these sepons had not been researched. So what we did, we didn't have the time to sit there for 4 or 5 weeks to see what animals came, so we put a couple camera traps. And the beauty with the camera traps is you can sit them on a tree, and anything that walks in front of it, it takes pictures of them. And we set 2 camera traps at 2 different areas, 2 different salt licks, and we had them there for a period of 2 months. And within the first 2 weeks, we had photographed this monkey. There were no photographs of this monkey out there, so when we were trying to document and figure out whether this was Miller's grizzled langur that we actually found, we couldn't go and compare it with other photographs that other people had taken, because there were no other photographs that anybody else had actually taken of this monkey. When we first saw the monkey, we were kind of shocked. You know, for one thing, we didn't know that this monkey actually lived in Wahea, and some thought it was even extinct. So when we saw those first images from this camera trap, we were all pretty ecstatic. The fact that, wow, this monkey actually still lives, and it actually is found within Wahea. Now, the reason that the general public should care about the fact that this monkey still lives in Wahea Forest, I think, is twofold. Because number one, the habitat for these particular monkey species is incredibly important for fighting things like global climate change. That the more forests we have left on the island of Indonesia, the more carbon which is stored within these forests. So as you destroy those habitat, you not only lose habitat for these animals like this monkey species, but also because it is adding more carbon into the atmosphere. I think the other reason that the public should care is the fact that I think we have a moral imperative to protect as many species as there are on this planet. You've got a monkey like Miller's grizzled langur, which we know is still found in these forests, and I think that as long as it's still there, that we have to protect it. And we have to do everything in our power to make sure that it's there for generations to come.